In today's video, we'll show you how to set stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop loss on the cTrader platform. Now, just like there are different ways to place a trade, there are multiple ways to set your stop loss and take profit. The first method is directly from the chart. Let's place a quick sell trade of GBP USD. Once you've placed your order, the order line will appear on the chart. You can easily drag these lines to modify your trade and set stop loss and take profit levels. You can also set your stop loss and take profit for new orders directly from the new order window on the right-hand side, under the symbol section. Lastly, you can also set your stop loss and take profit from the default new order window, located in the top left corner of the platform. Just click on New Order, and a window will pop up. Choose the instrument you want to trade. Let's stick with GBP USD for now. Choose Sell or Buy. Select your desired lot size, and you'll have the options to set stop loss and take profit. Just select the checkbox and enter the desired stop loss and take profit prices. Remember this golden rule. For a sell trade, your stop loss should be set above the current price, and take profit should be set below it. For a buy trade, the stop loss goes below the current price, and take profit above it. If you set these incorrectly, you'll get an error and won't be able to place the trade. cTrader offers flexibility in how you set your stop loss and take profit. You can do it in pips, price, percentage of your balance, or even based on estimated profit or loss. Now, let's talk about trailing stop loss. cTrader makes it super simple. Just tick the checkbox for trailing stop loss when placing your trade, and you're all set. Your set trailing stop loss will now move with the market to protect your profits. Once you've set everything up, just click Place Order, and the trade will be placed with the set stop loss and take profit. To review your open trades, head over to the Positions tab. Here you'll see the stop loss or take profit you've set. You can also view them directly on the chart, making it easy to track your trade's progress. And that's it. You've successfully set your stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop loss on cTrader. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.